All right. If you want to create content faster using Gamma AI, this full tutorial will show you how to go from idea to finished content step by step. First, log into Gamma and click Create New. This is where everything starts. Now, choose what you want to create. It could be a presentation, document, or even a web page. Next, enter your topic, something like YouTube growth tips or digital marketing guide. Now, click Generate, and Gamma will create structured content for you. Yeah, it organizes everything into clean sections automatically. Now, review your content and edit it. You can rewrite sections, shorten paragraphs, or add more detail. Add images, icons, or charts to make your content more engaging. Yeah, visuals help keep people interested. Make sure your content has clear headings, sections, and flow. Good structure makes it easier to read. If you're creating for YouTube, blog, or social media, adjust your content to fit that platform. Yeah, each one needs a slightly different style. Finally, export your content or share it directly. Gamma makes it easy to publish or download your work. And yeah, that's how you use Gamma AI for content creation. Once you get used to it, you can create content way faster with less effort.